Hello friends, Merry Christmas. Welcome again with another video in another day of coding bot. By the way, if you're new to our channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and turn the bell icon to all to get the one video we post daily about coding. Now let's get into today's video. Today we're going to solve the Day 3 Intro to Conditional Statements Challenge in Hackerrank 30 Days of Coding. The task of this challenge is that we can see that our first condition is, if n is odd, that program will print number weird. So for this first condition we divide a number by 2. If a number is divisible by 2, then the number is even, and if the number is not divisible by 2, then it will print number is weird. Now come to the second condition, if the number is even and range of 2 to 5, the program will print number not weird. For that again each number we divide by 2. If the number is even and the number is between range 2 to 5, the program will print number is not weird. Now, come to the third condition, if the number is between 6 to 20, then program will print number is weird. Same as the second condition. Again, check for the fourth condition, if the number is greater than 20, then the program will print weird. Now, let's get into the coding part of the program. In this program, we are solving the conditional statements only. As they ask. As per the conditions, the program is coded for weird and not weird, according to numbers that user enters in output screen. We cannot run the conditional statement alone in a compiler, so we need to paste this in the full program part in the Hackerrank's official program website, so that we can run the program to check is there any error during the output. I've also provided the code below in the description box. If you have any doubts regarding this code, feel free to comment below. I will clarify it to you. Now, let's copy the program and paste it in the full program of the Hackerrank's website. Here, I've completed pasting the program in the Hackerrank's website. Now, let's run the code before submitting to see if there is any error in the program. I've ran the code and it successfully passed the test cases. Now let's proceed to submit the code and see is there any error. If there is any error, then our code will not pass all test cases. But our code has passed all the test cases. Thank you for watching the video. We will meet tomorrow in another video in another day of Hackerrank's 30 Days of Coding in our channel. If you'd like to appreciate our work, take a moment to like this video and drop a comment below, it will motivate me. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you find this video helpful, share it with your fellow coding friends. Until that, bye from Coding Bot. Merry Christmas. Happy coding.